Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आमी हांगा दोंगोरी जे वॉर्ड आसा आमचे नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत हांगा हांवें कन्सर्न रेज केल्लो जेन्ना आमचे एक 8 वर्साचे धाकले भुरगें शिवानी म्हणटा तेका कुत्र्यांनी 8 ते 10 स्ट्रीट डॉग्सां तेणी तेका एटॅक केलो आनी ताका सगळें पिंजून घातलें ताजे तकलेक सुमार स्टिचीस ताजे हाताचे मांस भायर सरून फूल बॉडी ताजी तेणी एटॅक केल्लो आनी हे सदांच हॅबिच्युअल जाल्लें जावं ते कोणीय एक बायक घेवन वता वो कोण चलोवन वता जाल्यार सुणे एटॅक करपाक येतात हांगा कोणें लक्ष घालूं नाशिल्लें. आय वॉन्ट टू से अ बीग थँक यू टू द एनिमल हजबंड्री. रोखडेच विदीन 24 hours they have come here. They contacted me, Dr. Pravin, who is here on the site. Dr. Pravin from Mission Rabbies, he's come with his entire team. I have shown him the areas to be covered and he has assured me not only Dongori as I've told, but all the areas where I tell him like Akembash, Mando, Nagmode, Navelim, Davoli, every corner of Naveli, that the dogs, जे सुनी आसा तेंका ते revaccinate करतले आणि sterilized करतले म्हणून ताणें म्हाका उतर दिलां. ताच्या बाबतींत हांव डॉक्टराक थँक्यू म्हणपाक सोदतां. And let's work together.
You all know the Mission Rabbies working with the government of Goa, mainly the animal husbandry department, to work on rabies controlled Goa. We already got a state of rabies controlled area for the state, and there is no rabies cases in humans since 2017. So, and we are also like throughout the year we are vaccinating throughout the Goa for all the stray dogs and the owner dogs also. And we are educating people how to behave with the dogs, and we are taking the rabid dogs from the locality to remove any threat to the public. And in this case, like, we are taking up the revaccination of this area mainly to reassure that there is no any rabies cases. And yeah, we will take up with sterilization also, working with the local authorities, municipal councils or the panchayat. And yeah, animal husbandry department is working for the welfare of the stray dogs and also for the local public.